Hey, this is Tim from Ocular Sounds, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at our sample management software, Telescope. Telescope gives you the ability to manage, browse, edit, and use all your libraries from a single interface. It doesn't store or duplicate files, instead it reads sounds directly from their original folders on your computer or external drive, and presents them in a clean, organised environment designed specifically for audio work. Whether your folders contain sound effects, soundtrack albums, or sample packs, Telescope brings everything together in one streamlined workspace built for creative professionals. With professional metadata and fast keyword search, Telescope allows you to browse, preview, edit, and drag sounds or even specific parts of audio files into your projects without affecting your existing setup. You can think of Telescope as the tool that allows you to examine the vast galaxy of sounds in your collection and find exactly the right audio for your productions, no matter how big your library. Let's look at how Telescope works. When you open the software for the first time, you can add samples using the plus icon in the Libraries panel. You can go right ahead and add your entire sample library at this point. Telescope doesn't interfere with your folder structures, so it's safe to use even with the largest sample libraries. Alternatively, you can just add specific folders from your library. Let's add this Ocular Sounds folder, where we've saved some libraries downloaded from ocularsounds.com. We simply select the folder and click Open. Telescope scans the folder, and now it's in our library. You can also add folders or individual samples to the library by dragging them onto the interface. Telescope doesn't duplicate your files, so if your files are located on an external drive, the drive must be connected for those files to be available. To remove something from the library, right-click it and select Remove. This removes the item from Telescope, but the source will remain unaltered. By keeping a clear and organised folder structure, you can have an efficient browsing experience. When you purchase a new library, you can add that folder to use it in Telescope right away. The directory structure of your library is represented in Telescope exactly how it is on your hard drive, making it easier to navigate. We can see what's in a folder by clicking the triangle next to its name, and the audio files contained in the selected folder appear in Telescope's main panel. You can play sounds by clicking on their file name. If you're working with a longer sample, you can click on a specific part of the sample, then press space to have it play from there. You can also click on a different part of the waveform while it's playing to have it skip to that specific part. Ocular Sounds libraries use standard metadata combined with UCS metadata. UCS provides standardized tagging such as category, type, and description. You can view UCS metadata by right-clicking on the metadata bar and selecting the desired category. You can also drag categories left and right, allowing you to customize the view to your specifications. Here we've set up the view to show a variety of UCS metadata. If we wanted to add more information, for example, sample rate and channel type, we can do so at will. Let's try searching. We can search a specific folder or the entire library by selecting All Sounds. Let's search for a whoosh. We can audition the results by clicking them. Once we've found one that's suitable for our project, we can drag it into our software of choice. The selection tool is one of Telescope's most essential features. This allows you to select a specific part of an audio file by dragging on it. You can then drag just this specific part of the file into your audio or video editor. You can deselect a selection by left-clicking the waveform or by clicking the selection icon. In this video, we've introduced Telescope and its capabilities, seen how to import libraries, browse those libraries, drag audio into other applications, and use the selection tool to export specific parts of audio files. These are Telescope's fundamentals, and in further videos, we'll look into its many other cool and useful features. We'll see you again soon, and in the meantime, enjoy using Telescope in all your upcoming projects.